Hi everybody. Today I have the Macy's Beauty Box for May 2021. And also a giveaway from Lanciley Lashes. They are giving away this set of 10 lashes, 2 liners, and a pair of tweezers to 20 of my subscribers. So 20 of you will get a set just like this. 10 pairs of lashes, 2 magnetic eyeliners, and a pair of tweezers. I'll put the link in the description, and the first 20 of you who follow the steps will get a set of free lashes. Okay? So now on to the Macy's box. The usual fall apart box with everything in here and details about the products in this little card, along with a $10 off gift card. This is good for $10 off of $40 worth of beauty products from Macy's. That's always nice. Let's see what's in here. I smell some perfume already. Looks like a lot of stuff this time. Alright, so first thing is from Dry Bar. This is the Detox Dry Shampoo, which of course I'll be giving away because I have a lot of dry shampoo and I don't really use it. This month's box is called Expert's Choice. About the Dry Bar, it says, truly the best of both worlds. This clarifying formula not only removes oils and impurities from your hair, but also increases moisture to prevent dryness and breakage. Your hair will shine brighter than the sun. Okay. And next from Clarins, we got new Total Eye Look Concentrate. Dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles be gone. No, it's not magic. It's a powerful formula of 94% plant-based powerhouse ingredients that visibly lift, firm, and brighten in the blink of an eye. Gently press under the eyes, over the eyelids, and onto lashes. Okay, that's interesting. And here's the tube. That's what it looks like. This little tube is mostly empty. I think there's a tiny bit in the bottom, like maybe right here. So it truly is just a sample. And there it is. Has a nice clean scent, not like perfume. Okay, it feels good, absorbs quickly. All right. And next in this plastic bag we have Lancome Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Serum. Now, of course, I know all about this because I use it all the time. So it's really nice to get another little sample. It says, give some props to this pro-aging elixir filled with an ultra-hydrating blend of hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and ceramides that visibly improve radiance in just 7 days. It says, a week to glowy skin? Sign us up. Okay. And then next we got something from MAC. This is the Prep, Prime, and Fix. So most of us know all about this. If you wear makeup, you pretty much know what MAC's Fix is. There's the tiny little bottle. It's cute. And the paper says MAC's cult favorite multitasker is making an appearance. This holy grail of hydrating mists infused with green tea and chamomile can be used to set a look, improve the wear of makeup, and soothe the tired skin. All right. And then from Elizabeth Arden, We have Retinol Line Erasing Night Serum. Have you met the skincare working the night shift? While you're sleeping, ceramides work with your skin to replenish and reinforce its moisture barrier. That plus wrinkle smoothing peptides make for a mighty serum. And it comes in these little capsules. Looks like we have a week's worth of capsules in there. All right. And then from Giorgio Armani, this is Maestro Liquid Lipstick in Casual Pink. 3 things you get from an award-winning lipstick: intense color, a perfect matte finish, and a formula that doesn't turn your lips into a desert. This smooth, non-drying formula lasts up to 8 hours. All right. Can't wait to see what this color looks like. And there it is. Let me swatch it. Oh, that's a pretty color. It's pink. Like a soft, almost reddish pink. All right. That's fun. And then we have 2 fragrances from Ralph Lauren. We have Romance, which is described as, well, it says, since wearing white is encouraged during summer, white florals are the best fit. Light, delicate hints of rose and jasmine, balanced notes of mandarin and pink pepper for a sweet scent with perfect depth. Dreamy indeed. Well, let's just see. Ooh, that breeze feels good because it's warm out here. Yes. And some of you have commented on my wind chimes, so I'll take some footage of them and include it in this video. Oh yeah, I smell the jasmine. That's really nice. I like it. Okay. And then the other one is called Polo Deep Blue. I'm not sure if this is a men's or a women's fragrance. It doesn't really say. So let's see what it smells like. On the card it says, get a little fresh with a fragrance designed to feel like diving headfirst into waves of crisp citrus and island scents. This features Crystal Fizz, an exclusive ingredient inspired by the ocean. Who knew paradise could be bottled? Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's test this one out. That's nice. It does smell like a men's cologne though. So, oh yeah, it's definitely for men. I'll be passing this along to my son. I'm guessing this is a bonus item because there's no information about it in the card and it's not in the photo. But it says beauty supplements. So I guess this is like a little case for your vitamins and stuff. Let me see. Oh, it has 2 little cases inside. There's a little tab here. You raise it up. And 3 compartments on this side. And then 3 on this side. Okay. That's nice. You could probably put small jewelry in here too for travel. It has a seal around the lip. This is nice. All right, so we got the beauty supplement case, the Dry Bar Detox Dry Shampoo, Clarins Total Eye Lift, MAC Fix Plus, Elizabeth Arden Retinol Ceramide Capsules, Lancome Genevieve. Giorgio Armani Lip Maestro. This pretty pink shade. And 2 fragrances from Ralph Lauren. One for women, one for men. And the $10 off gift card. And don't forget your free lashes. Thank you for watching. Bye. This wind chime is in the shape of a tractor. It's really cute. And it has the little ball on the bottom here. And this one is also a butterfly spinner. That's fun. Look at that. Okay. And it has this little leaf on the bottom. That's so cute. And then my favorite one is down here. This one is my favorite because it's so cute. It even has little handlebars and everything. But the wheels don't turn on this one. Okay, and it has the little ball on the bottom.